Hey everyone, here's what's new on Shadcn Space. First of all, we released Saazio, a modern SaaS website template built with React and Next.js, perfect for startups, SaaS products, and landing pages. Next, we updated our MCP server to version 1.2.5, adding common skills for AI agents and new tools for working with pages. We also introduced Copy Prompt, which lets you copy component prompts with a single click and use them directly with AI tools like v0, Lovable, Bolt, and other AI agents. We just added 20 plus new UI blocks, including cookie consent, downloads, timeline, and data table blocks. And finally, we released 4 new interactive sheet components to help you build better user experiences. Visit Shadcn Space for more blocks, templates, and components.